All right, so what I'm going to do is these license plate light lenses have fallen out, and we've got the incandescent bulbs. So I'm going to swap them out with some LED bulbs, and I have some Mopar replacement, OEM replacement lenses, and they're supposed to come with little gaskets and everything, so it should be good to go. So let's see what they look like. Um, the incandescent bulbs. There you go. One's not even working anymore. So, all right. Well, let's see what we can do. All right. So here's the part number of the lenses: 6808-2644 AB-001 and 45AB001. So there is a left and a right. I'll look at it and kind of explain the differences between the left and right. Could be nothing, or it could be little offsets that, sits back from here a certain distance. And then the way they come in and connect and are retained would be a little different. Otherwise, there's the Mopar part. And made in the USA, that's a wonderful thing. And so I'm going to try to use as many OEM Mopar parts as I can as I need to work on it. All right. These are the bulbs I'm going to use. I got these from Amazon. If these don't work, I know the JDM brands work really well. So I'll try these out. Here's the part number. If they don't work out after a while, I'll just make sure that they work for a long time, and then at least I get a month into them. If there's a problem, I'll let you guys know. Otherwise, they're working. So let me take this last one off. It's a little gasket. Yeah, so the left and right, see the two different sides? Those go in and hold it up in there, and then there's a little clip that's supposed to be here, and that's what failed on this one. Same thing here, but it was demolished. And then it comes with a little gasket. So let me get the new ones out. One other thing, if you look at the shape, that is not a rectangle. That's some kind of trapezoid activity. See, that's another one of those weird custom things. But these were not expensive, so not a big deal. And then these pull right out. There's that junker. Here's the other one. So this is what the bulb looks like. Should be much brighter. And now I need a light to see the orientation. All right, so these are going to go in like so. So it's the same type. It doesn't have it on here, but the same type of bulb, and that usually has to do with kind of the application and the receptacle. So this would replace the standard incandescent. Bulb. Gosh, good thing I just ordered some new glasses. All right, so looks like the bulbs are in. Let's check the bulbs out real quick. See what those look like and make sure they function before I go too far and accidentally throw away those bulbs. nice and bright. Okay. So safe to remember, don't throw anything away that you're replacing unless you're 100% sure that it's going to work. Putting aftermarket parts, you might even want to save them just for resale or any other emergency. So let me crack one of these open. And I don't have the left side anymore, so I will look for the one I just took off. All right. So I'll call this the right side here, left side here. The right side, this is what it should look like. Nice and clear. Gasket in place. Has the retaining little clip there. All right. I'm going to mess this up. That is a sharp, sharp angle. I'm not going to break that. I'm going to take off this license plate. Give me a second here. All right, let's try this again. So I want to be careful. Okay, that's in there good. Woo! This design is funky, I'll tell you that. It seems to be going in there. There we go. Right side installed. Get the left one. All right. Let's try to do the left one with a little more grace. Check that out. All right, quick and easy, inexpensive. When I make the video, I'll put the price on the bulbs and the lenses with the part numbers. And quick, easy. Let's try it with the lenses on, see what they look like. Also, let me know how this microphone's working. First time using it. Little lapel mic, wireless. If you guys are interested, I'll give you the part number for that too. That's great. Perfect. That's all needed. Has to be safe, functional. The LEDs are always crisper. So there you go. Well, God bless you guys. Appreciate you guys watching. And if there's anything I need to do on this Jeep, which I know I will, it's got some miles on it, so I'll be doing some work, or at least having work done on it. But otherwise, it's exactly what we needed at the time we needed it. And we're really blessed to have it. And there you go. Catch you guys on the next one.